today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set or change the date and time on Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time. And you want to type in time. One of the best matches should come back with change the date and time. A new window will appear here. It might take a moment to. So if you want to manually set the time, so let's say this time is off, you could always untoggle this where it says set time automatically to the off position. You don't even need to change that if you're looking to change the time zone down here. So just click inside this box to change whatever time zone you're looking to switch it to. So it should be pretty straightforward. So you can just select anything from this list, doesn't really matter. And then underneath change date and time, click on the change button right here if you've already turned off the set time automatically feature. And this will give you the ability to change the date and the time settings right through here. So pretty straightforward. And once you have done that, you don't actually need to click on OK or save anything like that. You're just good to go. Just close out of here. And you should notice the time and the date should reflect whatever you changed down the bottom corner of your screen.